We're slowly seeing an influx of accessories for the GoPro's latest flagship, the Hero 8, although if you're looking to use a Hero 8 as a vlogging camera, then this cage could be exactly what you need. Ulanzi certainly know how to produce high quality accessories for cameras, and I'm expecting nothing less from their Hero 8 cage, the G8-5. Packaged in a simple box, yet well cushioned in plenty of bubble wrap, we find the cage itself. With some branding printed with precision across the bottom corner, we have a matte black full CNC machined aluminum structure here, which not only feels seriously strong but looks the business too. The versatility here is best demonstrated with a camera in place, and fortunately getting the camera inside is a relatively simple process. A frame on the rear of the structure can be unlocked and slides up and away from the main body, now providing ample space to slide in your Hero 8. Although before doing so we need to also remove the side plate too, by using the same sliding action. Now the cage is ready for the camera, although as this is a vlogging setup, chances are you'll want to attach accessories such as an external microphone, for which we need access to the GoPro's side USB-C port. So we can go ahead and unclip the camera's side door. Now we're ready to slide the camera into place, which fits very snug thanks to foam pads on the inside, and once in place we can slide the rear frame back down into place. Bear in mind I have a tempered glass screen protector installed on the camera's rear display in this example, yet the cage accommodates this equally as well with no issue. Spring-loaded bearings are used to keep the frame locked into place, and as a result it's held firm with no wiggle room whatsoever. Finally, we have that exposed side of the Hero 8, which is very useful for quickly changing batteries without having to remove the entire camera from the cage. To keep the battery securely in place though, we reattach the side door previously removed. Notice the foam pad on the inside, used to keep the battery pushed snug into the camera. So with the camera now in place, we can start to explore what makes this cage so versatile. Of course, we maintain easy access to the entire rear display as well as the monochrome front display, and both the power and shutter buttons are fully exposed. No issues there at all. The lens fits nicely into the cage, and we now have a 52mm filter adapter, perfect for attaching filters of your choice quick and easy. Finally, on the bottom we have the standard GoPro finger mount for attaching to accessories such as tripods or selfie poles, the typical accessories used for vlogging. Although with the Allen key included in the package, the GoPro mount can be completely removed, revealing a standard 1/4" 20 tripod thread for attaching to tripods or non-GoPro accessories should you prefer. An important part of vlogging setups is not only video but also audio. The camera's own microphone is exposed through the cage, but with a filter in place it would be covered, hindering audio capture quality. Although as this is a vlogging setup, chances are you'll want to use an external microphone anyway. This cage has that covered too. The side USB-C port is exposed, meaning the GoPro audio adapter can be easily attached, and to ensure the sizable audio adapter doesn't dangle around the place, inside the package we also find this audio adapter mount. Again, metal in construction, this attaches to the bottom of the cage with all screws and hardware included of course, now allowing the audio adapter to slide into place with a small grub screw in the bottom holding it firm. We still keep our 1/4" 20 thread in the bottom, or can still attach the GoPro finger mount if preferred. So with an audio adapter in place within the holder, a microphone can be attached to the opposite side and sits into one of the two cold shoe adapters. The top cold shoe mount incorporates a rubber pad, and this is used to hold another included adapter which can be used to raise the cold shoe mount up a little. Perfect for keeping microphones with furry windscreens out of the camera's lens. This leaves the final side cold shoe mount free for attaching a video light or any other such accessory. Naturally, this adds not only a little extra bulk but also a little extra weight to the entire setup. Whereas a GoPro alone with a hand grip weighs in at around 194 grams in its bare form, with the cage attached this is almost doubled, and that's before you add a microphone adapter, microphone, and any other accessories. Nowhere near the weight of a DSLR, but still something to bear in mind. If you're after a vlogging type setup though, this covers all the bases, creating a neat and tidy package. With a high quality construction and robust overall design, it's certainly versatile enough to easily recommend.